We offer like a lot of convenience for our patients. So like especially with deliveries and like blister packing, pouch packaging, and we are very friendly staff here.
How many staff do you have?
Right now we have like 10 people. We have like 3 pharmacists, 3 assistants, and like 4 technicians. So we had like 10 people right now. Patients into individual pouches, and it will have like what day, what time. So it simplifies for all these seniors especially. So they
And
don't
they're
have
all
to
in
buy.
individual packages?
They're all in individuals, and it will have like what day, what time. So like this is like Tuesday 9 a.m. Then this is for Tuesday 9 p.m. Then it goes to Wednesday 9 a.m. Wednesday 9 p.m. So all they have to do is just open the package and take all the medication. So we had to like add on a robot here, the automatic packager. So we had to make room. So we pushed out the pharmacy counter a little bit, added the robot. Then for the immunizations, we added 2 more rooms. Just want to make sure it's in there. Then it will take like a infrared picture. So the actual shape, the dimension, so it will, you can see here too. And
So
then
you have an image of each cartridge.
each cartridge, so each pill in there I have an image, and it comes in here. So it's telling me like you should have these 4 medications. So now I have to make sure each pouch has these 4 medications.
And at the top you have a name, you have label
Yep,
information.
everything.